If you see unexpected signs of early puberty in a child, or signs in a woman which may include changes in body hair, or a large increase in acne possibly due to accidental exposure, men with breast cancer, or who have or might have prostate cancer, and women who are or may become pregnant or are breastfeeding should not use androgel. Serious side effects include worsening of enlarged prostate, possible increased risk of prostate cancer, low sperm count, swelling of angus feet or body, enlarged or painful breasts, problems breathing during sleep, and blood clots in the legs. Tell your doctor about your medical conditions and medications, especially insulin, corticosteroids, and medicines to decrease blood clots.
Talk to your doctor today about androgel 1.62%, so you can use less gel. Log on now to androgeloffer.com, and you can pay as little as $10 a month for androgel 1.62%. What are you waiting for? This is big news.
Monday night, Piers Morgan brings you the latest on David Petraeus and the shockwaves from the sex scandal that's rocking Washington and the world. CNN Monday night, live, 9 Eastern.
Are you suffering from foot pain or aching feet? Will you live out of bed? Does playing with your kids or just doing your job make walking or standing painful?